Ladies and gentlemen, the pride of the Finnish Air Force display team, the Midnight Hawks. The signature of Midnight Hawks display team is its close formation diamond. The 4 aircraft fly only with 2 meters separation. In their next move, Midnight 4 is gonna make barrel roll around the other team. Next, the team will perform a maneuver called the Spare. The members of the team perform a split at the exact same time, ending in a shape called arrow. All the 4 pilots of the team are active duty air combat instructor pilots with over 1,000 flight hours on fast jets under their belt each. All of the Finnish Air Force pilots undergo flight training on the Hawk before moving to F-18 Hornet conversion. Ladies and gentlemen, the Midnight Hawks and the Finnish Air Force thank you for the opportunity to fly for you today.